Kim Levers, we're here in Red. I've been pursuing this solar journey for a considerable time, and I never had hesitation once the technology was there for the batteries, and it was just a question of waiting, I suppose, until I could afford it. I've been an advocate of solar, and for years, to me, as soon as I understood that I could get that energy, it just seemed to be an absolute no-brainer. And, it's become obvious, I suppose, in the current situation that the more we can get solar, the more EVs we can get on the road, all those things, the better off we'll be economically, but security-wise and things like that, and for the future, I can talk to them. This is the thing. I can talk to them and I can say, look, that's not what I want something, and they take the time to listen and understand and figure out what you're trying to achieve. Whereas I think a lot of others, they just want to give you what their package is. Carbon footprint reduction was the primary goal, and I suppose the economic advantage was the other. But firstly, it was about reducing my impact on the planet. Oh, I certainly have. In my neighbourhood, I've been an early adapter, and I think it's influenced, my neighbours in regards to panels and stuff like that. They see me now with my charger, charging my EV, and they're always asking, how much is it costing? Are you using the power off the roof? I said, it costs me about $50 a month to run my car. How about you?